Welcome to qnawire.
Now the question is, a coordination compound of cobalt-3 contains 4 ammonia molecules, 1 sulfate ion and 1 chloride ion. Addition of aqueous barium chloride solution to an aqueous solution of the compound gives no precipitate. Addition of aqueous AgNO3 to an aqueous solution of the compound produces a white precipitate. Propose a structure for this coordination compound. Now 1 cobalt is at plus 3 oxidation state and 4 ammonia molecules and 1 sulfate ion. This must be one complex. And if cobalt is at plus 3 oxidation state, this should be plus 1 charge. And chloride minus should be outside the bracket, minus 1 chloride minus ion. So this should be the structure of the complex. Now let us see what are the other observations given. First of all, when barium chloride is added in this substance, then the observation is no sulfate, no white precipitate, and when the same substance is taken in water and AgNO3 is added, AgNO3 solution is added, we are getting the white PPT. So this observation is already given, and accordingly we have to explain that what should be the structure of the complex. Now here we are supposed to know one thing, that sulfate if present inside the big bracket, when sulfate ions is working as a ligand and forming a coordinate bond with the central metal atom, that is cobalt, then it is non-ionizable. That means when this complex is taken in water, then we are getting this whole substance which is in the bracket in the form of cation and Cl minus as anion. So sulfate minus ions are not available in the water. When sulfate minus ions are not available in the water, then there is no question of positive test of barium chloride. Barium chloride solution can give the white precipitate only when sulfate ions are available in the water. Whereas the anion which is outside the bracket is available in the water as Cl minus ion, and when Cl minus ion is present in the water, it is going to give the test of white precipitate of AgCl and positive test with the AgNO3. So Cl minus ion should be in the ionization sphere, not in the coordination sphere, and that is why the structure of this coordination compound should be cobalt, NH3,4 and SO4 forming the octahedral complex and having the one positive charge, and with this Cl minus ion should be outside. Because of that only we are getting the white PPT and chloride minus ion test positive.